We were really impressed with HP's Spectre x360 13-inch laptop, and now at CES they're showing off the Spectre x360 50-inch version, which, as you can guess, is bigger and has the whole new modern design that we've been seeing in this laptop. It has a 90% screen to body ratio, so the bezels around the sides and the tops and the bottoms are even lower than before. It kind of just looks like the screen is hovering above the keyboard, and since it's a convertible, you can also flip it into tent mode like this. Basically, it's a big new design step for HP, not too different than the 13-inch, but it's nice to see something in this bigger size. In general, it just feels and looks a lot more premium than before. Last year's models had a lot of bezel. They weren't as sleek, I'd say, and this one just feels a lot better. It feels incredibly sturdy, and it feels really premium, which is something HP is really pushing here. It's powered by Intel's 10th generation CPU, just like a lot of other premium laptops like this, so you'll get a nice speed bump, and also the integrated graphics are going to be better too. Not something you'll really want to play a lot of games on, but it's nice to have for games like The Sims or something. Functionally, it also has a lot of ports that you'd expect to find on a 50-inch laptop. So there's a full-size HDMI port, there's full-sized USB Type-A, so these are things where you won't need to run out and get a USB-C adapter for every single thing you need to connect to this computer. It's also interesting that HP is pretty much just only releasing convertible premium laptops this year. So we have a 13-inch x360 and a 15-inch. There aren't any traditional clamshell models. Honestly, I guess that makes a lot of sense, just because you look at something like Dell's XPS 13 and the XPS 13 2-in-1, we're getting to a point where you may not even want the clamshell. You may just want to get a laptop that can always flip into a tent formation or flip into a tablet. I think for a lot of people that's going to be more useful. So HP's strategy for this new premium lineup kind of makes a lot of sense. We don't have exact pricing for this model yet, but it should be available in the middle of February. Stay tuned to Engadget.com for more news from CES 2020.